Oxtail and radish soup is a powerful dish in Chinese traditional medicine for boosting young energy and enhancing vitality. Oxtails are warming in nature and serve as excellent young tonics, nourishing the kidney and strengthening bones, making them beneficial for conditions like arthritis and osteoporosis. The warming properties also enhance fertility and boost immunity by tonifying the body's core energy. Radish, on the other hand, regulates qi flow, drains dampness, and transforms phlegm, making it effective for reducing internal congestions and improving digestive health. Together, this combination supports the body's resilience, promotes circulation, and restores overall balance, making it a nourishing remedy for boosting both physical strength and vitality. When the oxtail and radish soup is ready, you can add goji berry if you want to nourish blood, or add 5-spice powder if you have digestive issues. And 5-spice powder can promote digestive function and keep you warmer. You can purchase goji berry and 5-spice powder through our Amazon affiliate links in the description below. They are high-quality products. If you purchase through our links, we may earn a small commission, but your price remains the same. Thank you for supporting our channel. Now, with your apron on, let's get cooking. So, let's take a look at the ingredients we need. About 2.5 pounds of oxtail and a few fresh radish, and the white radish is better. Ginger, fresh ginger is always good. Slice the fresh ginger and chop the radish into cubes. Then green onion, Chinese green onion, 2 or 3 of them. Let's just bring the water about 4 liters to boil. When it's boiling, we can start to put the oxtail into the boiling water, one by one. Let's take a look. They're happily swimming in the water, isn't it? The last one, don't forget. Again, last one. Okay. Yeah, teeny tiny little one. There we are. We have all of them in the boiling water. Now can stir up a little bit, of course, and let it boil for 5 minutes. You're going to see that after 5 minutes, the clean water is going to get foamy, dirty kind. Well, let's take a look. So now stir up. After 5 minutes, let's just take a look at the water. It's very foamy, dirty. Let's just get rid of this soup. Now it's better, seems. All of the little guys are happily showered. It seems they're clean now. Boil again. The clean water, filtered water is better. Now we get ingredients ready. Water is boiling. We're going to put, of course, ginger first. Yeah, little ginger, and then Chinese onion. 2, 3. Cleaned oxtails. There we are. Let's put them again in the clean water now. Of course, be careful. It's
hot. It's hot. There we are. One by one, don't rush. Everybody gets its chance to swim. Sounds better. Stir up. Yeah, seems peaceful. Everybody finds its place, isn't it? What we should do after 5 minutes? Boiling strongly. Can you see that? Then what we should do? We should reduce
the heat. Simmer for about 1 hour. Keep the lid half open. After 1 hour, the soup becomes whitish, just like milk. Then add the radish. First, keep the strong heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then reduce the heat, simmer for another 25 minutes. Now the soup is ready. You can enjoy it on its own or pair it with a bowl of quinoa or rice for a more complete meal. Bon appétit! If you have any questions regarding the indications of this remedy dish, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.